Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find blocked list on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to find blocked list on our Instagram, we have to go to the Instagram setting. First thing first, we can go to our profile, and then on this profile, we need to click on these three lines on the top right, and here we just need to scroll down a little bit until we find the blocked option, this one, and we'll find the account you have blocked on your Instagram right here in the section blocked account. Then if you want to unblock the account, you just need to click on unblock right here, then the account will be unblocked. Alright guys, and that's how we can find the blocked list on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.